Alright, welcome back to the kitchen. Today we are making pan-seared cod with white wine basil sauce. First thing you're going to do is you're going to put about a couple tablespoons of oil in your pan, heat it up, and in here I have 3 minced garlic and some red pepper flakes. You're going to put that in here and let that go until you can smell it. A couple minutes or so. Once that heats up, I'm going to add a pint of cherry tomatoes. You're going to cut those in half, and you're going to cook those until they start to blister. And then you're going to add some other ingredients, but we'll get to that. You can hear the garlic and pepper flakes starting to sizzle a little bit, so that's good. Now I'm going to add my cherry tomatoes. I got different color ones, just to add a little color. Like I said, you're going to cook those until they just start to blister. So this is going to take a few minutes, so I'll be back. Okay, so once your tomatoes are just about done, I'm going to start adding some stuff. I'm going to put a 1/4 cup of white wine. You're going to let that simmer. You can add your basil. I got probably a little less than 1/4 cup. You can add more if you like. This recipe actually calls for 1/2 cup, but to me 1/2 cup just seems like a lot of basil. You start to smell it. And then I have 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and 1/4 teaspoon of lemon rind. It's all in here. Like that. Okay. And the last of the ingredients for the sauce is there's a teaspoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and a teaspoon of salt. And all that in there. And that's all for your sauce. So basically, that part of the recipe is done once it starts to simmer. And what you're going to do with this, after it's all mixed in, you're going to pull this off the heat, put it aside in another container or whatever, and you're going to cook your fish in this. And once your fish is done, then you're going to just put this back on top of the fish, and that is your recipe. So I'm going to pull this off. Okay, so here's my cod. Got salt and pepper both sides of that. I got 2 more tablespoons of oil. It's on medium heat right now, so we'll adjust it if we have to. And you're going to cook this anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes per side. You'll flip it over, do the same thing, and then once it's ready to go, then you're going to add your sauce back on that. Right now I have the rice cooking, the water boiling yet, and then we'll have that on the side of rice. Be good to go. Okay, the fish is just about done. So I'm going to take my basil wine sauce. I'm going to put it right back on here. Now it's still pretty warm, but I'm just going to heat it up a little bit more. Spread it all out. And we'll portion it out on the plate. Now I'm going to have some rice. And a piece of fish. Now you can cook a vegetable if you want with it, but to me the tomato is the vegetable. And that's it in a nutshell. So until next time, bye.